Hey guys, so I am back and this is going to be a video on this hair. This is an easy throw on style. You can put this wig on and go because it's not glued down whatsoever. So if y'all want to see where this hair is from and how I got this style, then keep on watching.
I said certified free, 7 days a week, wet and gushy, make that pull out game weak. Yeah, you dealing with some wet and gushy. Bring a bucket and a mop for this wet and gushy. Give me everything you got for this wet and gushy. Beat it up, baby, catch a charge. Extra large and extra hard. Put this cookie right in your face. Swipe your nose like a credit card. Hop on top, I wanna ride. I do a giggle, I'm kinda wild. Look at my mouth, look at my thighs. It's wet, it's wet, come take a dive. Tie me up like I'm surprised. That's roleplay, I wear disguise. I want you to park that Big Mac truck right in this little garage. Make me dream, make it stream. Out in public, make a scene. I don't cook, I don't clean, but let me tell you, I got this ring.
Gobble me, swallow me, drip down inside of me. Quick jump out for you, let it get inside of me. I tell them where to put it, never tell them where I'm about to be. I run down on them before I have a night. Running me, talk your shit, bite your lip. Ask for a call while you ride that. While you really ain't never got him for a thing. He already made his mind up before he came. Now get your boots, hang your coat for this wet and gushy. He bought a phone just for pictures of this wet and gushy. Pay my tuition just to kiss me on this wet and gushy. Now make it rain if you wanna see some wet and gushy.
Look, I need a hard hit, I need a deep, I need a Henny drink, I need a smoke, not a garden snake, I need a king cobra with a hook in it, hope it lean over. He got some money, then that's where I'm headed. Cookie A1, just like his credit. He got a beard, well I'm tryna wet it. I let him, now he diabetic. I don't wanna, I wanna, I want you to touch that, that swing in the back of my talking misfire. The sun is going and drying, it's coming outside. Yeah, I run on that thing, now the cuz behind me. The way that I spit, and he tryna sign me.
Your Honor, I'm a freak, handcuffs, leashes. Switch my wig, make him feel like he cheating. Put him on his knees, give him something to believe in. Never lost a fight, but I'm looking for a beat. In the food chain, I'm the one that eat you. If he ate my eye, he's a bottom feeder. Big D stand for big demeanor. I can make you bust before I ever meet you. If it don't hang, then he can't bang. You can't hurt my feelings, but I like pain. If he me and ask who's is it when I ride the I'ma spell my name.
Yeah, you dealing with some wet and gushy. Bring a bucket and a mop for this wet and gushy. Give me everything you got for this wet and gushy. Now from the top, make it drop. That's some wet and gushy. Now get a bucket and a mop. That's some wet and gushy. I'm talking wop, wop.
Okay, y'all, so this pretty much completes the look. I really love it. Like, for the last day or so, I have been walking around like with just my little pigtails with a scarf on. So now I feel like a baddie once again because I have my hair done and slayed. And at first when I put these lashes on, I was like, no, these are too long, but they look actually really cute with the bang. I don't know if y'all could see it, but I could see it in person. So yeah, if y'all have any questions, leave them down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, bye guys.